Good day, good day, good day. I'm back again today with the solution of the exercise which I gave you in the previous video, which was part one of determining prime factors. And after determining the prime factors, hence, for instance, here at A, and hence the square root of 225. Then with B, determining the prime factors of 512, the product of prime factors of 512. Then after, we will determine the cube root of 512. So we start first by determining the product of prime factors. The product of prime factors of 225, it's 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. Thereafter, we put a square root of 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2, which will give us an answer of, remember, a square root of 3 to the power of 2 gives us 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by a square root of 5 to the power of 2 gives us 5 to the power of 1. Then our answer will be 3 multiplied by 5. It's a 15. So for those who don't know how do we arrive here at 3 to the power of 1 and 5 to the power of 1, remember, with the square root, considering this one of cube root, we say it's a cube root by an identification of 3 here. So with the square root, we have a 2 here. We have a 2 here with the square root, which simply says, when we say square root of 3 to the power of 2, we are simply saying 3 to the power of the square root of 2, 3 to the power of 2. That exponent of 2, this exponent of 2, we divide it with that 2 here. Same applies here. This exponent of 2, we divide it with exponent of 2 here. Now, 2 divided by 2, it gives us 1. 2 divided by 2, it gives us 1. Then that is how we arrived at this particular answer. Now, going to the next activity, going to the next question, whereby we were to determine the product of prime factors of cube root of 512. Firstly, remember, we determine the what? The product of prime factors, which gives us 2 to the power of 9, which gives us 2 to the power of 9. Then after doing this, we will say cube root of 2 to the power of 9. Then we say 2 to the power of, remember, we say this divided by that, which gives us a 3. Then our answer here will be 2 to the power of 3 is an 8. So this is our answer for the previous activity which I gave you. Thank you. See you the next part.